Hello students, we were discussing about the library functions of C language and we know that C is rich in library. So in this video I am continuing the same topic. Each question in this video will explain different library function. So don't miss any question and watch this video till end. And don't forget to share this video with your friends so that they can also be benefited. If you have missed my last videos, you can click on above I button or go through the description box for the links of other videos. If you haven't subscribed my channel till, please subscribe so that I can help you to crack the campus. So let's move towards our questions. So here is our question number 1. What will be the output of following program? So here in this program, a function hypot is used, which is defined in a header file math.h. So that's why we have included math.h header file in this program. So let us see what output this program will generate. So here in this program, a double variable result is declared, and the two double variable x and y are declared and they are initialized with the value x equal to 3.0 and y is equals to 4.0. The next statement here is the assignment statement where hypot function is used. So what this function do? So actually hypot function is used to calculate the length of hypotenuse of a right angled triangle if the two sides of right angle triangle are given. So here the two arguments of these hypot function are the sides of right angle triangle. So if these are the two sides of right angle triangle, then hypot function will calculate the length of hypotenuse and the value will be returned and will be stored in variable result. So let us see what will be the output of this function. So here we know that in right angle triangle, hypotenuse square equals to side 1 square plus side 2 square. So here two sides are given x and y. So x equals to 3.0 and y is equals to 4.0. So therefore hypotenuse square it will be equals to 3 square plus 4 square, which will be equals to 9 plus 16 and it will be equals to 25. So this 25 is the value of hypotenuse square. So therefore value of hypotenuse will be equals to 5. So hence this function will return 5 and will be stored in variable result. And with the next statement, the output will be the hypotenuse is 5.000. This is our next question. What will be the output of following program? And these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So here in this program, two library functions a2i and a2f are used, which are defined in math.h. Hence we have included the header file math.h in this program. So let us see what output this program will generate. So here in this program, firstly a character pointer is declared and it is initialized with the string constant 55.555. The next statement here declares a integer variable result 1 and it is initialized with the value 10. In the next statement, a float variable result 2 is declared and it is initialized with the value 11.111. Then consider the next statement where the next statement is assignment statement and the right hand side of the statement is an arithmetic expression. So hence this expression will be solved first. So let us solve this arithmetic expression now. So here the value of result 1 is 10. So 10 plus, and after that a function is used which is a2i. So this function converts a string variable which converts the string constant into the integer type constant. So here this a2i will convert the string I into integer. So here the string I is 55.555. So hence while converting this string, it will give the value 55 only. So hence this A2I will return value 55. So 55 plus 10 will be equals to 65. Hence 65 will be stored in variable result1. Now consider the next statement, where the next statement is again an assignment statement where right hand side will be executed first. So let us solve this first. So here value of result2 is 11.111. So it will be added with the function. Here a function is given, that is A2F, which will convert the string value into the float value. So here the string value I is 55.555. So this will be converted into the float type. So therefore this will return 55.555, and which will be added with 11.111, and it will give the value 66.666. So hence here the value of result 2 will be 66.666. And by the next printf function, here the values of result 1 and result 2 will be displayed. So value of result 1 is 65, so it will be displayed. After that comma will be displayed, and then the value of result 2, that is 66.666, will be displayed. So hence the correct option for this program is option C. So let us consider our next question. What will be the output of following program? So here in this program, a function memcmp is used, which is there in string.h header file. So that's why we have included the header file string.h in this program. So let us see what output will be generated with this program. So here the first statement is the declaration statement where a character array is declared, named as dest, and it is initialized with the integer values 97, 97, 97. So after watching all my videos of data types, you now better know that a character variable can hold the integer value, and which will be equals to the corresponding ASCII character. And we know that the ASCII character corresponding to the value 97 is A. So hence all the characters of this dest string will be initialized with the character A. So that means the first, second and third characters will be initialized to the character A. So then consider the next statement where another character array, that is src, is declared, and it is initialized with the string constant AAA. Next statement declares simple integer variable I. Then consider the next statement where the if statement is used. So while evaluating the if statement or while executing the if statement, this condition will be solved first. So while solving this condition, firstly this assignment will be done. So hence consider the function now, this memcmp. So this function compares the first two characters of these two strings. So here the two strings are dest and src. So this function will compare the first two characters of these two strings. So here the dest string contains value 97, 97, so which will be equals to A and A. So the dest string, the first two characters of dest string will be AA, and the first two characters of src string is also AA. So hence this will return value 0, because the dest and src, both the strings have same characters as the first two characters. So therefore this value, this function will return 0 and will be stored in variable I, and after that I will be compared with 0. So now I is equals to 0. So 0 will be compared with 0. So 0 equals to 0. So hence this condition will be true, and hence the statement after if will be executed. So hence this statement will be executed and it will print the output as got it. So hence the output for this program will be got it. So this is question number 4. What will be the output of following program? So here in this program, a character array str1 is declared and it is initialized with the string C campus interview question, and the another array str2 is declared with maximum array size 120. And in the next statement a character pointer p is declared and it is initialized with this function mencppy. So what this function will do, so actually this is a string copy function where this str1 will be copied into the str2, but the copying will stop as soon as the one of these two condition will occur. So what are those two condition? So firstly see this. So this is the function strlen which will calculate or which will return the length of string. So strlen of str1, so it will return the string length of str1 which is equals to 29. So the first condition becomes all the 29 characters will be copied, or the second condition, the copying will be stopped at the first occurrence of s. So therefore this function will copy the string str1 into str2 either at the first occurrence of s, or if there is no s character then complete 29 characters will be copied into str2. So see here the string str1, so here there is a character s. So this is the character s of the first occurrence. So hence the string will be terminated at this s. So that means the string C campus will be copied into the string str2. So hence with this str2 becomes C campus. And as the memcppy function returns the void data type, hence we should convert that in string type. So hence we have used char star here, and the string str2 will be initialized with the character pointer p. And with this next statement, star p is equal to \0, that means a null character \0 will be added at the last of the string, and with this printf function value of str2, that is C campus, will be printed. So hence the output for this is C campus. So consider our next question. What will be the output of following program? So here in this program, different macros are used. So these macros are defined in limits.h header file. So hence we have included the header file limits.h in this program. So consider the first statement where a macro char underscore bit is used. So which will give the number of bits in a byte, and we know that this number of bits in a byte is equals to 8. So hence this will return the value 8, and the output for this printf function will be like this: number of bits in a byte is 8. So consider the next statement here, so where macro char underscore min is used, so which will return the minimum value of signed char. So hence the output for this printf function will be like this: minimum value of signed char equals to -128. But the output of this complete program actually depends on the compiler. So the output I am giving here is the output in 16-bit compilers, but if you are using the 32-bit or 64-bit compilers, then the output will be different. So consider the next statement where the schar underscore max macro is used, which returns the maximum value of signed char. Hence the output for this printf function will be like this. Maximum value of signed char equals to 127. So since 16-bit compilers uses 1 byte for character, hence these are the limits for minimum and maximum value of signed char. So consider the next statement where a macro uchar underscore max is used, which returns the maximum value of unsigned char. So hence the output for this printf function will be like this. Maximum value of unsigned char equals to 255. So similarly consider the next printf function where the macro int min is used, which returns minimum value of int, and the 16-bit compilers use 2 byte size for integer value. So hence the output for this printf function will be minimum value of int equals to -32768. Then consider the next printf function where the macro int max is used, which returns the maximum value of integer. So hence this output with this printf function will be like this. Maximum value of int equals to 32767. Similarly, consider the next two printf function where in first printf the macro long min is used, which returns minimum value of long integer. So hence the output for this printf function will be like this. Then consider the next printf where long max macro is used, which returns the maximum value of long. So hence the output for this printf function will be like this. Maximum value of long equals to this value. But here you should know that the output of this program will be compiler dependent. So this is all for now. In next video, we will be coming up with new questions. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.